This 2022 Highland Ridge Range Lite 252RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Cascade Ivory interior, sleeps 4, external shower, TV antenna, microwave, water heater, spare tire kit, LP detector, oven, slide-out, skylight, refrigerator, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Range Lite 252RB is 6,187 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Range Lite 252RB. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.